Hey everyone, this is Priya and today I'm going to show you how I have drawn this sketch. So let's talk about this sketch. So it took me around 3 hours to complete this, and this is a normal page. I think the GSM should be 150 plus. The materials used in this sketch, I will give you a list in this video, and also I will give you a list in the description below. You can check it out from there. Yeah, so I used in the dark black area Staedtler marked Lumograph black pencil, and in this area I used Camlin charcoal pencil soft one. So you can see the eye, how it's looking in my eyes. And if you want to contact with me, then details are here. I will give you the full tutorial of it, and yes, so start. Yeah, so let's start with the most dark area. So I am using here Staedtler Mars Lumograph black pencil, and it's come in the range of rupees 85 each, and this is 8B. And for lighter than that area, I'm using charcoal, Camlin's charcoal black pencil. This is soft one. So I'm always shading my charcoal pencils. Yes, I'm always shading the charcoal pencils with a makeup brush. So already I have told you on the last my video that I'm shading always with the makeup brush, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर देता है और ये पेपर इजीली काफ़ी अच्छे से ऑप्ट कर लेता है. ये हमें टिश्यू पेपर ये सब में नहीं दिखाई देती है जो इतने अच्छे से ब्लेंडिंग करता है. सो मैं इसे यूज़ करती हूँ हमेशा. So I am doing the light area from the 2B and 4B shade of Brustro. Yeah, and shading it with the same makeup brush. Yeah, so there are two types of highlights, black and white. So I'm doing here the black highlights with the charcoal black pencil and the white highlights with the mechanical eraser. Yeah, so I am highlighting it with the correction pen. I don't have gel pen to highlight it, so I'm always using the correction pen to highlight. It is difficult to apply, but still no problem. So I'm shading the correction pen with the brush just because it will mix and it will look real. That's why. So now I'm shading the outer, I mean the shadow of erase with the outline 2B pencil, just because it will give a shadow of this and it will look more real. And blending it with the makeup brush, same which I have used earlier, and we will do it several times जब तक हमें एक sufficient result नहीं मिल जाता तब तक. So now let's move to the carbuncle area, and here in the dark area I'm using the same Staedtler 8B pencil, and in lighter than that area I'm using the same charcoal, Camlin's charcoal pencil, and shading with the makeup brush and highlighting with the correction pen. So this process I have already done in the erase area, so you can get it that what we are doing on the light area and in the dark area. So let's move to this clear section. Yeah, so drawing some lines on it, and with some lighter, some dark, some more darker. So we will do it with different shades of pencil. Like for the dark section I will use the same Staedtler pencil, and for the lighter I will use your Camlin's charcoal pencil, and more lighter I will use the Brustro's graphite pencils. So now drawing shading the eyelid area. Okay, so I am using the 5B pencil of Camlin, and just actually I want the graphite powder, so that I am using that pencil and a sharp knife to get the powder and blend it with the makeup brush, and just highlighting it with mechanical eraser. So drawing the eyelashes with the Camlin's charcoal pencil. And giving the more white highlights with the Camly of correction paint. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then give thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So bye.